this? It's not the right bathroom, is it?
Ew!
It gets worse.
That's beyond gross. That's porn. You guys can't have porn. It's wrong. Now I'm gonna have like downloads all over the fucking computer. That was just disgusting. What are you laughing at?
You didn't see the whole thing. They eat it and then throw it up.
Ew! That's disgusting. What are you people watching?
Everyone knows about it. There was an episode of Family Guy I was just watching, and it goes, like that time you made me watch Two Girls, One Cup.
Why? Do they share the cup?
What?
Do they share the cup? Why is it one cup?
They poop, and then they eat it, and then
Oh!
throw it up.
Ew! What site is that on? Isn't that something like
I
a
don't
porn
know.
site?
Somehow it got through all of mass media.
But now we're gonna have like viruses on our computer because you touch that stuff.
It's like American.
It's like sexual transmitted computer viruses, porn and poop. Ew! You guys are
You
disgusting.
didn't even watch the whole thing.
Ew! That's so gross. I already don't feel well. My mouth hurts and I'm puffy. Why do you do that to me? You're so mean.
You said it, and I couldn't not. Becky's rolling on the ground again.
My stomach hurts. Get it from me.
What's wrong with you?
That was kind of entertaining.
Yeah.
Why'd they do it? Why'd they do it? Why'd they do it?
Come here on the floor with us.
Why? No.
Why'd they do it? She says.
Why'd they do it?
Wait, watch this. Ready?
Why'd they do it?
Happy birthday to you.
But why? Why? I don't understand. Why'd they do it? Did they get paid a lot of money?
I don't know. It's just porn.
It's
dude.
American to do.
It's not American.
It's like the big
disgusting.
American thing that's on TV.
Look.
To put.
Look at us.
Why? Do you think that you're gonna grow up and put poop
We
in
no,
a cup?
need to stop it now. It
What
was
the hell's
good.
going on?
Emily, can you
Wait,
cut this
wait.
video?
Wait! I don't understand.
She doesn't understand.
Why? Why would they do that? That's so gross. Why?
Guys, it's snowing.
Wait, people recorded their reactions?
Yeah,
Why?
it's all over YouTube.
Grandma's reaction.
And what's their
We want to show
reaction?
it to Grandma.
Yeah, it's usually just like, oh.
Ew! It's like on Family Guy when they're like, so disgusting.
Can you stop it?
No.
People are, what's wrong with people watching poo?
Wait, let's turn ourselves into.
Why
Abby.
would people watch poo? Why? And how did they get to poo so much?
Why is there no?
Who's that?
Oh, when I talk, it moves.
Wait, can you explain something to
Aww.
me? Wait,
That's so
Aww.
wait. I have a question. Why?
It knows I'm moving my eyebrows.
Wait, I'm asking you a question.
cool. Is it censored?
I have a question.
Wait, do it.
I have a question. Why would they do the poo? And how? How do they get so much? Wait, I just have a serious question. You're not listening.
No, go to the puppy.
Why did they poo in a cup? And how do they have so much poo?
I don't know. Did they? Wait.
'Cause- no, I can't
Do
poo.
him. Do
So
him.
I want to know, how do they have so much
Do
poo?
him.
Wait,
do
do
him.
you
that
think
was
that
that
they-
was
do
an
you think that-
abnormal. Wait, that was an abnormal amount of poo.
Do you think that they take laxatives?
That was like more poo than I've ever seen. Right? No, I
You do
why
him.
would you answer me?
Do him. Do him.
You wanted my reaction. I have a question.
Yes.
How do they have so much poo? You're not listening.
Are you doing that?
Why
What?
and how? How?
How
I
do
don't-
they have so much poo?
If
I
anyone
should
on
never go
YouTube
potty.
knows.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Go back! Go back! Go back!
Wait, I want to be Abraham Lincoln.
Oh,
I'm Abraham Lincoln. Aww.
No, I have another. No.
Hold on.
That was a lot of poo.
that doggy.
No, there was something.
The
Ah!
pig.
Oink oink. Hi.
All right, we're gonna do
He doesn't like me. Hi. Okay.
So there you have it. Mom's reaction to Two Girls, One Cup. Oh, look, you can see my tattoo.
Oh.
What's wrong with you?
It's not me, it's America.
What's wrong with you?
Can you stop
What's
it?
wrong
Al?
with
Can
you?
you stop it? Can
No.
you cut this video?
Yeah, I can edit it.
Okay. Because I just want her reaction.
I know, I'm just having fun. What?
We're married.
What, Mom?
But look, ready?
What's wrong with
Ready?
me? That's cool. Mom, everyone has seen it. It's just a matter of time before you did. I can't believe no one ever told you about it. Yeah, but you had to have heard it on, like, TV or something.
No, I don't remember that
What?
I don't remember that.
You can stop this.
What don't you remember? You want to watch it?